In this video, we'll look at how UDOIT can convert a document into a Canvas page. We'll click the UDOIT link on the course menu, and once UDOIT has scanned your course, you'll navigate to the Review Files area. You'll see a list of the file names, the last dates the files were updated, any issues UDOIT found, and any alternate formats you've already generated. UDOIT looks for files that are an older file format, such as a .doc, files that are untagged PDFs, or files that are scanned without optical character recognition, meaning the text in the file looks like an image and can't actually be read by screen readers. You also might see a processing error, meaning the file couldn't be accurately read by UDOIT and is possibly problematic for your students too. To request alternate formats for any of your files, whether issues were found in them or not, click the Review button on the right. At the top, you'll have an option to view the original file. In this example, we have a file that was generated from a flatbed scan of a book, and it's not very friendly for our visual users, let alone our screen reader users. Because this file is basically just a snapshot of the text on the page, it is completely inaccessible to screen readers. Luckily, UDOIT integrates with one of the premier accessibility partners, Abby FineReader, to help you turn this snapshot into readable text. Back in our File Review modal, on the right, you'll be able to request alternate formats of this file. For this example, I'll request a Canvas page. While this request is processing, you are free to move on to the next file, as it may take a few minutes to finish. You also may note that requesting a Canvas page also generates a plain HTML file. Any alternate formats that you request here in UDOIT will be saved and stored within your Canvas course, and they're yours to keep forever. Once the new format has been generated, you may view it by clicking the three dots and selecting View. Already, you can see this Canvas page is so much better than that scanned file. But because this is an automated process, you may need to make some adjustments to this content, like adding alt text for any images, to ensure it is as accessible as possible. But this is now so much easier thanks to UDOIT, because we have an editable page right here in Canvas to make our changes. Once you've finalized and saved your page's content, return to the File Review modal. You can now select the option Replace File with a Page. Here, you'll see a preview of that Canvas page, and you'll see all the places in your course that were linking to that original file. You also have the option to delete the original file after replacing. This is a best practice, as it ensures that you won't accidentally place that file back into the course content. When ready, click the Replace File button. And just as easily as that, we've turned a scanned file into an editable Canvas page, and we've replaced all of the places that were linked to that original file in our Canvas course.